Xbox is releasing a 25th anniversary version of the Series X console and controller in its translucent OG green. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the tech and gaming news. Xbox is rolling out some goodies for you to buy, and it includes Xbox Series X25 Limited Edition and Xbox Wireless Controller X25 Special Edition. You can buy them together, or you can only purchase the controller if you're not looking for a whole new console. The collection will be available in November in selected markets, but Xbox hasn't yet said a word on how much it'll cost. VP Next Generation Jason Ronald wrote in the announcement, "For the first time, we're bringing a translucent design to Xbox Series X, drawing inspiration from the original Xbox and OG green so many players remember. The Xbox Series X25 Limited Edition respects our history with the power and performance of the Xbox Series X, including 1 TB of storage and a design that reflects where we've been and the community that's been with us along the way." Of course, just by looking at the green, anyone can tell that the design includes several nods to Xbox's past, like an X button that lights up green, and the controller will feature the original ABXY colors. Ronald also wrote that players will also discover a few hidden surprises throughout as a thank you to the community. Though it is just an announcement for now, but Xbox says more details on pricing and availability will drop soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.